Resign or cancel your Melaleuca account. One company that focuses on products that are environment-friendly is Melaleuca, which has been in existence for around 25 years now. The company's goal is to be able to make available products to the public that are both safe and green conscious. These products can be purchased at a reasonable cost. Melaleuca offers consumers a wide variety of goods such as vitamins and food supplements, cosmetics, as well as products for cleaning purposes and personal care. Consumers who have diabetes or avoid glutinous substances can also utilize specific products made especially for them. By visiting the Melaleuca website, you may be able to register for an account, and applications for membership are accepted through the company's website. Although a lot of people are quite happy with Melaleuca, it is quite possible that you may not find it suitable for you. If this happens and you do have an account with the company, there are methods of being able to cancel your account appropriately. Here are the steps you can take to do that. Get in touch with the company. You may begin the process by calling the customer service department of the company. You will be required by a customer service representative to provide your customer identification number. You will then need to specify your wish to cancel your account. This process is done so that your request is on record. Make a handwritten letter to the company. Give the company a letter wherein you are requesting that your account be cancelled. This letter will need to be written by hand. Place in your complete information such as your complete name including other names which may be involved with you in the business, the address you use when your products are delivered, and your contact number. Along with this, a personal message must be added with your cancellation request and the reason you would like to cancel. You may be able to get a refund on your enrollment fee if your membership is only within a 120-day period. You will need to specify this as well. Add in your business kit number and send. Ensure that your package is received by the company. You will be able to find out if the company has already received your package by calling during office hours. Confirm your account's position. An unupdated account must be immediately handled by the particular representative who signed for it and is therefore held responsible for its status. Make sure that Melaleuca receives your package on the 25th of the particular month in which you are doing or canceling. If you are not able to do this, you will be accountable for the purchase of the specific products during that month. After the 25th, the cancellation request takes effect only on the ensuing month, which means that you will still be held accountable for that month's product point purchase. One more thing to keep in mind is that you must always hold records of anything that you send to the company and people you have spoken to, the date you spoke to them, and the course of your conversation with this person. Going through this process in the proper manner will help you cancel your account with the least complications.